This is Cody, and he bought up all the turbines within his state's radius to install on his truck. Before that, he measured the power on this turbo kit and got 397 horsepower. Immediately, they started improving the result to the second stage. It turned out incredible. First of all, Cody decided to test his new rims by spinning them to the max just to launch them into a lake and destroy his Tesla. Do a burnout, get 30,000 horsepower with a nitrous injection, and catch on fire at a truck meet.